Hi everyone. So today we're gonna talk about some cases of the patients like for open bite, cross bite, some crowding that they have the patient. So we can solve it with aesthetic way with veneers. So some patient they don't want to wait like for longer time. We can solve it with a good aesthetic appearance and a functional one also. So in this case we have an open bite. As we can see, the patient he bites on the both jaws, okay, but we have still the open bite as we can see here in this photo. So what we're gonna do, we will do it an aesthetic way with veneers. We can solve his problem. This is the result. This is after we made for him veneers, and he's able to close totally the upper and lower, and we did a nice shape of the teeth with some details like to look like a natural one.